Oh, I was going to say welcome to my favorite murder. No, that's not us.
Oh, I wish.
Oh,
In my
what if we were
dreams.
them? I would be Georgia.
I think you would be Georgia, which
Georgia.
makes me so sad. Because I wish I was the Georgia, but once we started making these, I'm like, damn it, I'm the Karen. I don't want to be, but I interrupt way too much.
Well, I was always a Karen fan. Not that I wasn't a Georgia fan. I was a Karen, Karen was like, until we saw them live, and then I sort of fell in love with Georgia.
I've always been a Georgia fan. I think that means I like you more than me.
My favorite murder.
This is Retail Therapy. I am Brooke.
And I am Georgia.
Georgia. We haven't addressed this elephant.
The elephant, the literal
elephant. Giant in the room. So this isn't for funsies. Like, I'm not being funny. This is what my hair looks like after I blow dry it. There's no exaggeration. There's no ratting. Look, this is, my kids think it's hilarious and I'm just used to it. Or I'll just let you admire that for a minute.
If you shower. When you shower. And if you get out.
Yeah.
When you get out. If you put gel in it or like something, you can just be curly.
Yeah. But then I have to wash it.
You all know how Brooke feels about washing her hair.
No, like it can be curly cute for like a day or two and then I have to I can't just let it.
Like the rest of the free world.
Yeah.
It has to.
Yeah.
It's like my mom. My mom is the worst about doing her hair. Her hair's like this long. Mom, I love you. Her hair's like this long and she hates to do it. So she's always like, well, why should I do my hair today? Because I'm just going to have to get up and do it tomorrow. Yeah. And I'm like you and me and the rest of the free world. We're all going to have to get up and do our hair.
Why should we have to? If we can just not.
Yes, this is just hardcore emergency right now. So what we're going to be doing today, can you reach it?
Yes.
This is, what is this?
A straightening brush.
From?
The world.
Too soon?
From America. I don't know. Where is it from?
I have no idea.
I think I bought it off a Facebook ad. So you know how like the videos will scroll through and you'll see this amazing thing that looks like this and then suddenly it's beautiful and it looks like it took 2 seconds. So I was like, I need that. And it was only like $20.
So it's a lie.
I don't know. Maybe it's amazing. So I bought it, I think off a Facebook ad, so I don't really know the exact source, but I'll track it down. Okay. So it's been heating up for quite some time. So basically, when I straighten my hair normally, I have to use a brush and a flat iron anyway. To get it, so it's not all clumpy. So I use a GHD, because as you can see, this is not like lightweight hair.
It's not for the faint of heart.
So when I do it, I get a brush and I put my flat iron, this isn't turned on, and I pull it through. So if this works,
it's gonna be a blooming miracle.
It's gonna be like...
Have you tried this? You've never tried this?
No.
Now when I straighten my hair, I just pick up all 3 hairs at once and I'm done. Not today. I must emphasize that I was out in a rainstorm.
And a hail.
And a hailstorm when I came straight here. So you know what? Just got him here.
And that was not happening here, a mile away. Welcome to Idaho. Right? Right? So do you want to
Okay, so I gotta stand. I always feel like I do better when I stand.
I know. Should I? Is it working?
You know what? It actually...
Is it starting to work?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Can't really see, but I'm going to take your...
I mean, it's not... It's
take like a little...
few times.
Yeah, but still, that's okay. Always do the robot. That should be our new hashtag. You know what I love is when people text me hashtags.
What's that even mean?
Hey, like, let's go out. Hashtag girls night. No one does that to you?
Person.
Like my teenage niece, like kind of talks in like meme.
Yes.
Almost. Do your kids do that?
A little bit.
Where they see something and they're like, when you're having a good day, but it's not.
Well,
it's real life.
What my Katie does is she'll take a picture and then she'll be like, oh, how am I going to caption this? Like, what does that even mean? Like, can't you just take a picture? So why does everything have to have a well thought out caption?
Yeah. We've only been on Instagram since like January. So that's pretty good.
And sometimes we don't even know how to work it or check it.
99% of the time, we don't.
Sometimes we forget.
We should
'Cause
hire
a
social media manager. If I was 20 years younger, that's what I would have been.
I bet you would have. I would be tempted to like post horrible things on their page. Like, joke's on you, you're paying me, but go look at your Facebook page.
That's a good way to get jobs.
I know. I feel like the after pictures that they show you might not be real.
Or they might not have started with this amount of girth.
Poofiness. Out the
frothiness.
Frothiness.
Yeah. So it's
This
not
doesn't.
it's not taking out the froth.
Like, it's straightening it, but it isn't, like, it's still kind of fuzzy. Yeah, but I don't know that you would go out like that.
This is not the look I'm trying to. Oh yeah.
See, it's kind of. Now I'm gonna say.
You know what this is?
It's witchy.
Oh.
A witchy woman.
This is Brooke Hale in high school. Is what this is. Before
Well, this is a flashback to
this
the
is
90s.
95 when we didn't have good flat irons, and this is all I could manage from this.
I'm gonna tell all of you guys a story right now.
Okay.
We literally would get the ironing board out and put our heads on the
Yes.
ironing board, and
Yes.
like, flat, like, ironing is the thing. It's not just like,
Yes.
this seems like a good name for this contraption that irons your hair. No, we used
did.
an iron.
We did too. Jill Angelin and I did that. Our moms were like, "What?
Why do all of the clothes that I iron have big patches of hair all over them?" Sometimes I would have it permed. Yeah, I know, that ages me.
I did too, and I have naturally curly hair. But why was I getting Ogilvy home perms? So should I do my regular flat iron and this side for a comparison?
Yes, because this is...
Witchy still? Why do I get sucked into those videos of women curling their hair?
I do too.
The weird thing is that's always like revolutionary way to curl your hair, and then I watch it and I'm like, that's the exact
That's what every woman who's done to curl their hair for the last decade.
Yeah, that's curling your hair. Like, why do I keep thinking it's gonna be this weird new way to curl my hair? And then even after I can see that it's not, I keep
Quit watching.
I keep watching.
I watched one the other night. I was laying in bed. I watched it for 20 minutes.
You know what else I found on YouTube?
What?
It's there's actually a Boise YouTuber. I wish I could think of her name. People cleaning their houses. Have you seen this?
No.
It's on YouTube, and it's like how I clean my house. And they'll kind of do like this, like they'll show you them like dusting, like kind of wiping their whole surfaces down, and it's in like speed mode. So I just sit there and watch them like go from room to room, speed cleaning their house, and I just like I can't. Finally, after like 10 minutes, I'm like, why am I watching this?
Like, why am I not speed dusting my own house?
Why? Yeah, exactly.
You know what would be more satisfying than that?
What?
Would be watching somebody else clean my house.
I just took a minute and got the under layers of my hair with my regular flat iron, so you can see the difference. Regular flat iron, brushy flat iron. Bummer though, I just wanted to be like, doo-doo, my hair's straight. Nothing's ever that easy.
Nothing in life is that easy.
Nothing.
And I think this also proves that 9 times out of 10 you're being lied to.